Question 18 is an algebra question. Part A is around solving an equation and part B is about expanding a bracket. So if we look at part A, we need to solve x over 2 plus 18 equals 26. So we're working out what x is. X is being divided by 2 and then having 18 added to it. And then we're coming up to the answer 26. So working backwards, first thing we're going to do is subtract that 18 that's been added on. So that would leave us with x over 2 being equivalent to 26 subtract 18. So x over 2 is the same as 26 subtract 18 is 8. So x divided by 2 gives us 8. So that means double 8 is the same as x. So x is 8 multiplied by 2. So x must be 16. Now when you solve equations, you can always check whether or not you've got the correct answer by putting the value back in the equation at the beginning. So let's just have a little check we're right. 16. If x is 16, 16 divided by 2 would give us 8. 8 plus 18 is 26. So we know we've got the right answer and we've banked those 2 marks. Part B, expand this bracket. This means we're going to do y multiplied by y squared plus 4. So we'll start by doing y multiplied by y squared. Y multiplied by y squared is y cubed. And then it's plus y multiplied by 4 is 4y. Pause video, have a go at solving these 2 equations, and then check back, see if you're correct by pressing play. The first one says solve 6x plus 7 equals 4 multiplied by x plus 6. So we're going to work out what x is, so what we'll do is we'll multiply out the bracket and then we'll collect the terms together and solve the equation. So first things first, let's multiply out that bracket. So on the left hand side we've got 6x plus 7. On the right hand side, multiplying out the bracket, 4 multiplied by x is 4x. 4 multiplied by positive 6 is positive 24. Going to collect those like terms together. Since we've got 6x on the left hand side of the equation and 4x on the right hand side of the equation, it makes sense to subtract 4x so we don't end up with any negative values of x. So we've got 6x plus 7, subtract 4x. If we've subtracted 4x from here, that leaves us with 24 on the right hand side. 6x subtract 4x is 2x, and we've got this, don't forget that, plus 7 equals 24. Okay, so x is being multiplied by 2 and then 7 is being added to that, and we've got 24. So working backwards, we need to subtract that 7. So 2x, we subtract 7 from the left, it would be gone. So 24 subtract 7, 2x is equal to 17, and then divide by 2 gives us x is worth 8.5, or 8.5 would be allowed as well. Part B, we've got x is being divided by 5, then we're adding 4 and we're getting the answer 13. So just work this through. If I subtract that 4 first of all, then I've got x over 5 is equal to 9, and then something divided by 5 is equal to 9. So if I multiply by 5, I'll work out what that something is. 9 multiplied by 5 is 45. Let's check our answers. 45 divided by 5 is 9. 9 add 4 is 13. That one's going to work. Okay, there we are.